Redbubble is a popular online platform that allows artists and designers to upload their artwork and designs, which can then be printed on various products such as t-shirts, posters, phone cases, and more. You can make money on Redbubble by following these steps. Create an account. Sign up for a Redbubble account if you don't already have one. Design and upload your artwork. Create or upload your original artwork or designs in a high-resolution format. Ensure your designs are unique and adhere to Redbubble's content guidelines. Choose products. Select the products on which you want your designs to be available. Redbubble offers a wide range of options, including clothing, home decor, stationery, and more. Set prices. Determine the price for each product. Redbubble provides a base price, and you can set your markup to earn a profit. Keep in mind that higher prices may result in fewer sales, so find a balance. Add tags and descriptions. Write compelling titles, descriptions, and relevant tags for your products to make them easier to discover in Redbubble's search. Promote your products. To increase your sales, promote your Redbubble store and products on social media, personal websites, and through other marketing channels. Engage with your audience and build a following. Optimize your store. Customize your Redbubble store with a unique banner, logo, and profile information. A professional-looking store can attract more buyers. Regularly update your portfolio. Keep adding new designs to your Redbubble portfolio to keep your store fresh and appealing to potential buyers. Engage with the community. Participate in Redbubble's community by liking and commenting on other artists' work. This can help increase your visibility on the platform. Track your sales and analytics. Use Redbubble's analytics tools to track your sales, identify trends, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Cash out your earnings. Redbubble pays artists their earnings via PayPal or bank transfer. Make sure to set up your payment details in your account settings. Comply with copyright and trademark laws. Ensure that your designs do not infringe on copyrights or trademarks. Using original and licensed content is essential to avoid legal issues. It's important to note that success on Redbubble, like other print-on-demand platforms, may take time and effort. Building a following, creating unique designs, and effective marketing are key factors in generating income on Redbubble. Additionally, it's essential to stay updated with Redbubble's policies and guidelines to maintain a positive and compliant presence on the platform.